I opened the front panel and removed the drip tray and then the infuser. I use a vacuum cleaner to remove the spilled coffee. One of the reasons for spilled coffee is that the infuser is not lubricated and therefore does not move as it should. I use a small brush with long brushless to remove the coffee in the cart to each place. Wash all parts well using a brush to remove dirt. Now everything is cleaned well. It remains to grease the infuser. Before that, I do a test by pushing inward. It should be easy, but it doesn't. This means that the piston rod needs to be lubricated. I check the wall filter if it is clean. Unscrew, it needs cleaning. I clean it with non-corrosive degreaser. It is now clean and I put it in place. I disassemble the infuser. I arrange the parts so that I can assemble it as it was. These two O-rings should be cleaned and then liberally smeared with Vaseline. Dry with paper towel. For lubrication I use 100% pure petroleum jelly. Not technical. This one is non-toxic and does not wash off with water. I liberally lubricate all of the rubbing parts and assemble the infuser. Now I put all the parts in the machine and run to see the result. Wonderful coffee. Let's see about spilled coffee. Everything is fine. The coffee is just there, it needs to be. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to watch more interesting videos. Bye.